Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. These are peanut butter cookies. These are a really great high protein, low carb peanut butter cookie recipe that is gonna be just such a great go-to for you. I can't wait to jump in. As you guys already know, all of my ingredients and measurements will be down in the description below, so head down there to see how much and what exactly I'm using for this recipe. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna mix our dry ingredients. Now, while we're preparing our dough, I do have my oven preheating to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm gonna drop some almond flour in a larger bowl. And I'm also gonna be adding some powdered stevia sweetener. This is the one that's called Swerve. If you're interested in this one, I've linked it down in the Amazon links in the description below. I'm also going to add some salt and some baking soda. Let's whisk all of our dry ingredients together. To our dry ingredients, I'm also gonna add some whole milk, but you can use any milk of choice. And I'm gonna combine that together. And lastly, I'm gonna add some peanut butter. This is some fresh peanut butter that is like in the store. If you go to Mom's or Whole Foods, you can do the freshly ground peanut butter. So that's what I'm using, but use any kind of creamy peanut butter of choice. You wanna make sure that it doesn't have like added sugar or anything like that. Now we're going to fold all these ingredients together. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below and also like this video. I'm going to take a sheet pan and spray some avocado oil spray and place some parchment paper down on it. The avocado oil spray, although not needed, it just helps the parchment paper stay in place. I'm gonna finish kneading the dough to make sure that all of my ingredients are well incorporated. And now we're gonna take about 1-inch sized balls and we are going to roll them like this until they form a circle and we're gonna roll them into a ball until they form a sphere like this. And then we're gonna place them on our parchment paper. We're now going to take our cookies and slightly flatten them. Just press down with your hand. You can just flatten them by using your hands and just fixing any of the cracks that are formed. And just for a little design, I'm gonna take a fork and press it into the cookie like this. Just cross and cross. Our cookies are ready to go into the oven. We're gonna bake them at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 minutes on the middle rack. And these are our delicious peanut butter cookies, low carb, keto friendly. I cannot wait to do a taste test. Take a look at these guys. I mean, just so perfect. I can't wait. Cheers. If you love peanut butter, this is gonna be such a go-to dessert for you. It's so creamy, it's so delicious. Thank you all so much for watching. Let me know what you think down in the comments below and which recipe I should make next. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Also hit that notification bell to never miss a tasty upload. Till next time.